Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be working on the Kracie Popin Cookin Tanoshii Ramen kit, and as you can see on the box here, it has mango pudding, gyoza dumplings, and spring rolls. And then we also have the ramen noodle soup, and it looks like there's sprinkles in there. There's also a fish cake, I think, as well as a boiled egg. Here are the ingredients on the side. Here are the contents on the inside of the box. And here are the nutrition facts. Okay, now let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Here we have all of our powder packets. So here we have the dough powder, the soup powder, and the noodle powder, and then we have the mango pudding powder, a piping bag that we're going to save for later, that's for the noodles, as well as a little cup for our mango pudding. And here's our trusty fork and a little toothpick. Here's all the powder laid out. And next we are going to open the packaging. We're also going to cut out this little guide right here on the side and save it for later. Now that we've finished that, here's the tray we're going to be using. It has a little compartment for the gyoza, a little compartment for the ramen noodles, as well as a mixing tray and a mold for our egg and fish cake. Now let's go ahead and cut everything out. So now we are going to make our mango pudding. So now that we've put the powder into the mold, we're going to add some water to it. Okay, now that we've finished with the pudding, we're going to move on to the ramen toppings, which is the boiled egg and the Naruto. I think I called it fish cake earlier. Here it says, pour water up to the line in the star tray. Add powder from the blue packet, mix until thick, and tear off 2 pieces of the dough for the egg and Naruto. once we pour the powder in, we're just going to take our fork and mix everything. Here's what our finished dough looks like. Now let's go ahead and fill the molds with our dough. Now that we're finished with that, we can put those aside until we're ready for them. And we're going to move on to making the gyoza dumpling. So here it says, divide remaining dough in quarters. Spread one dough evenly to match shape and size of the packing pouch guide. Place the dough on the gyoza mold and press to make a hollow space. Fill space on each side with powder from the red packet. Close the mold and press sides together to attach. Repeat once more. So roll the remaining amount of your dough into a big ball and then break it up into 4 pieces. And then we will roll those 4 pieces individually into balls. Now what I'm going to do is flatten out one of the balls and put it into the mold, and then we are going to put some sprinkles inside and close it up, and that should help us make our gyoza. Okay, now that we've made our 4 gyoza, let's go ahead and plate them up. And before you ask, no, I did not make any spring rolls. I decided to make 4 gyoza. So our next step is going to be to make the ramen. And here it says, pour water up to the line in the music symbol tray, add powder from the brown packet, and mix. Add powder from the yellow packet, mix again. Then we're going to take our piping bag and pierce the corner of it. And then we are going to take the yellow mixture and put it into the piping bag. Then we're going to pour the brown liquid into the bowl, the ramen bowl we had earlier. So now we're going to put the soup powder into the tray and add water to it, and then mix. So now that we're done mixing the soup powder, let's go ahead and pour it into our ramen bowl. Now let's repeat the same process with the noodle powder. Now that we are finished mixing the noodle powder, let's go ahead and go back to the Naruto and the egg. We're going to use a tiny bit of the noodle powder on the egg. Now let's take our piping bag and put the noodle powder inside. We're going to take this toothpick and puncture a corner of the piping bag. That way our noodles have somewhere to escape when we're pushing them through. Here is the mango pudding after we take it out of the mold. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you all for the support. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, Bye.